Today I'm going to show you how to install a Ring car cam. The Ring car cam has a dual facing camera for views out the front and back of your car. It can stream a live video feed from your vehicle to your device when it's connected to your home Wi-Fi, or with a Ring Protect Go subscription for on-the-go LTE connectivity. Before I get started, give us a like and subscribe to CNET's YouTube channel for more how-to videos like this one. And I will include links to installation documentation from Ring in the description of this video. The first thing you need to do is make sure your car is compatible with the Ring car cam. The car cam is powered by the OBD2 port on the left-hand side of your steering wheel. The OBD2 port is the onboard diagnostic which connects to your car's computer and tracks data like mileage, emissions, and speed. Automobiles built after the year 1996 have an OBD2 port. If your car has one, then you're good to go. If you're still not sure, I included a link in the description to look up the year, make, and model of your vehicle to see if it's compatible with the car cam. Now keep in mind that the car cam is plugged into your car, so it's drawing power from your car battery, although it is very minimal when it's in low power mode. If your car battery is not easily accessible, like my Dodge Journey here, which requires me to take off the left driver's side wheel to change the battery, then maybe the Ring car cam is not for you. Before you begin the installation, make sure your car is parked within range of your home Wi-Fi network. Inside the box, you will find the car cam with a USB-C power cable, which attaches to the OBD2 port adapter. Plug the cable into your camera and plug the other end into your OBD2 port adapter and connect it to your car. Make sure the cable has enough slack to reach the middle of your dashboard. The car cam light will turn on after a few seconds. If it doesn't turn on, try starting your car. After the car cam is powered on, the light will start pulsing green. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up the Ring cam in the app before I permanently install it in my car, just in case something doesn't work properly. Download the Ring app on your phone to get started. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and set one up and then click on Set up a device. Scroll down and select Cars. You will now be prompted to scan the QR code located on the car cam. Scan the QR code and the app will walk you through the installation process. Okay, so it's asking me where I usually park this car at night. It has my address here. I'm going to click Continue. Then I'm going to give my car cam a name. Just call it my Dodge Journey. Has your car cam been installed? Not yet. No, I need to install it. Park your car in a spot with good cellular reception. Got it. Find your car's OBD2 port. Already did that. It's plugged in. So now it's asking me where my OBD2 port is located. It's located in area 1. I'm going to click Continue. Keep following the prompts and start your car if it's not already running. When prompted, connect to the Ring Wi-Fi network. Got it. So now it's connecting my car cam to my phone. And now I'm going to connect to my home Wi-Fi. Now it's connecting car cam to my home Wi-Fi, Hogwarts. Once you're connected to the network, there will be more prompts to turn on different features and settings, and finally, success. Your car cam is operational. Now that I've confirmed the car cam is working properly, I'm going to finish the installation. Make sure the cable is running along a clean path and pulled tight so there are no hanging wires. Pull the cable taut and gather the excess cable on the right-hand side of the dashboard. The car cam is designed to simply slide into the space between your dashboard and the windshield. If it's too thin, you can use the spacer included in the box to make it larger to squeeze it in there. Use the alcohol cloth included in the box to clean your windshield where you plan to adhere the camera. Now peel off the sticker from the car cam and slide it into place, sticking it to your windshield. Now this part of the installation worries me because out here in California in the summertime, it can get up to 116 degrees. And I'm not very confident that this adhesive sticker is going to hold up in those temperatures. The camera itself, however, is rated to work in temperatures between 14 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. So it probably won't work in the middle of winter in somewhere like South Lake Tahoe, for example. Now that the camera is secured, use the blue tool to push and hide the cable inside the front of your dashboard. And now you're good to go. You can adjust the angle of the camera to get the best shot, and if you want privacy while driving, you could flip the privacy cover to block the back-facing camera, which also shuts off the camera and the microphone. Now I have options for motion detection, motion alerts, and a live stream from my car. Well, that's how to install Ring's new car cam. If you have any questions about my installation process, leave them in the comments. Make sure to check out the CNET review by Antoine Goodwin about the Ring car cam. and thanks for watching.